I have Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here enable scan QR codes. And now let's find some QR code, for example this one. And now as soon as your camera spots this QR code, it immediately shows the options. We can open this link in browser and see this page here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.